Hi there! Welcome to our YouTube channel. We specialize in diet meal plans and recipes. If it's your first time here, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime we post. Before we look at some of the omega-3 rich foods, let's first look at what omega-3s are. So what are omega-3s? Omega-3 fatty acids are long fat chains that occur naturally in many healthy foods, such as chia seeds, salmon, and others, as we'll see later in this video. Note, there are four main types of omega-3 fatty acids: ALA, DHA, DPA, and EPA. DHA, DPA, and EPA can be found in seafood. ALA, on the other hand, is found in animal products, thanks to animals consuming omega-3 rich foods. Now let's look at 15 omega-3 rich foods. Our first omega-3 rich food is anchovies. These are tiny fish found in the sea. They are consumed in small portions, so you can use them as a salad or a pizza topping. A 100-gram can of anchovies has roughly 2,113 milligrams of omega-3s. Canola oil. Canola oil is a byproduct of canola seeds. It's rich in ALA omega-3s, which boosts heart health. When you add 1 tablespoon of canola oil to your food, you get roughly 1,280 milligrams of omega-3s. Caviar. Caviar is considered a luxury dish, but it's still very nutritious. 2 tablespoons of caviar should give you roughly 2,098 milligrams of omega-3s. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are very small and come alive when you sprinkle them on a fruit bowl or smoothie. 1 ounce of chia seeds should give you roughly 5,050 milligrams of omega-3s. Edamame. Edamame is unripe soybean. Apart from omega-3s, it's also rich in protein. Half a cup of edamame should give you roughly 280 milligrams of omega-3s. Flax seeds. Like chia seeds, flax seeds are small seeds rich in omega-3s. They're considered one of the best sources of ALA omega-3s. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds should give you 2,350 milligrams of omega-3s. Grass-fed beef. As we mentioned earlier, ALA can be found in animal products, thanks to animals eating omega-3 rich foods. Cows that are fed flax seeds or purslane should produce omega-3 rich beef. A 170-gram cut of grass-fed beef should offer you roughly 150 milligrams of omega-3s. Mackerel. This tiny fish has a strong smell, but it is also very nutritious. 1 serving of mackerel should give you roughly 4,107 milligrams of omega-3s. Navy beans. Navy beans are known for their high fiber content, but are also rich in omega-3s. 1 cup of cooked navy beans should give you 375 milligrams of omega-3s. Oysters. Oysters are known for their high zinc content, but are also rich in omega-3s. Most people love to eat them raw. If you're one of them, 6 oysters should give you 370 milligrams of omega-3s. Salmon. Salmon is one of the most common types of fish worldwide. For a good reason. It's very healthy. Salmon is rich in B vitamins, selenium, vitamin D, and omega-3s. When you grill half a fillet of salmon, you should get 4,123 milligrams of omega-3s. Sardines. Sardines are available virtually everywhere around the world and are eaten as a snack or appetizer. 1 can of sardines should give you about 2,200 milligrams of omega-3s. Soybeans. Like edamame, unripe soybeans, full-grown soybeans are rich in omega-3s. Half a cup of cooked soybeans should give you 670 milligrams of omega-3s. Spinach. Spinach is rich in a lot of nutrients, including omega-3s. When you add about 100 grams of spinach to your kale salad or blender when making a green smoothie, you should get about 370 milligrams of omega-3s. Our final omega-3 rich food is walnuts. Eating about 15 of these relatively large nuts should give you about 2,570 milligrams of omega-3s. So there you have it, the top omega-3 rich foods. Thank you for watching our video to the very end, and we'll see you next time. If it's not too much to ask, subscribe to our channel, give our video a thumbs up, and share the video with your friends.